having a look at KillTeam Nachmund, apparently. So today we're having a look at the Aeldari Corsairs that are going to be in this box. It is Chaos Heretic Legionnaires versus Aeldari Corsairs. VoidScarred, I think is what they're properly called. Aeldari get, each time this operative is activated, it can perform a free dash action during the activation. That's pretty big. That's kind of like Battle Focus in the 40k version of things. So basically they can, get extra distance. And I guess apparently they can also move after the shooting. So basically they can shoot and then scooch and, basically do the shoot and hide kind of thing. Which only makes sense because probably these guys probably do not have a lot of wounds in the game. So, yeah, so they can also use Aeldari Agility. Until the end of the turning point, each time a friendly Corsair VoidScarred operative is activated, it can use its Aeldari ability. If it does so, it cannot perform a fight or shoot action during the activation, but each time it performs a dash, fallback, or normal move action during this activation, it can move an additional 1 inch for that action. Plunderers. This is another one. Select the 3 friendly Corsair VoidScarred operatives. Each of those operatives can immediately perform a free dash action. When doing so, if the mission you are playing has an objective markers that are not being carried by operatives, each selected operative must end their dash action closer to the nearest objective marker. That's pretty darn cool. That's for when you need to go run in there and, get the loot, as it were. Scoring loot. But yeah, VoidScarred. That was the end of the article. But yeah, looking really forward to this box when it gets released. I want to get my hands on those new Corsairs. They look fantastic. The Chaos is cool too, but I'm in for the Aeldari, excuse me. So yeah, check out the article for all of you that are interested in KillTeam. I enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be fun.